And feet are parallel, and by moving the arms on the music, start finding the flow in the whole body. And feel the connection with the ground and with the space around you. Let's start making the movement bigger. And make the movement smaller. Now heel and heel together, and toes are facing outside. The knees are straight. Keep this softness and flow in the whole body, and start twisting from the spine. And keep the arms long and soft. And keep the pelvis square, so don't follow with the pelvis. Now we bend sideways. Keep the arms long and keep the shoulders open. From here, drop the left arm down, and when you're down, switch the arm and you pull yourself up with the right arm. Continue to the other side and drop, switch the arm, swing up. Continue. Bend the knees, switch the arm, open the heart and switch. Especially when you go down, relax your neck. Now open the legs to parallel, arms up and swing down, pull up, swing to the right, up, down, up to the left, up, bend the knees twice, bend, 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 bend. Relax your neck. I hope you enjoy the exercise, Earth.